Intel and Advantech have been collaborating for more than 40 years, really bringing all sorts of edge innovations and products to the marketplace.
Advantech Embedded IoT is now developing Intel's new Core Ultra Series 3 processors, codenamed Panther Lake, supporting up to 16 cores and delivering up to 180 TOPS of AI performance. We're excited to share new embedded board products, Mini ITX, ComExpress, and system-level solutions. AIMB 234 not only outstanding AI computing capability, but also strong scalability. It is ideal for edge AI applications such as collaborative robots and ultrasound systems. At the same time, AIMB 234 offers wide temperature range, wide voltage support, along with anti-shock, anti-vibration, and anti-board bending design. The SOM 5886 adds essential I/O that the native SoC lacks, such as SATA and additional USB 3 ports. This makes SOM 5886 perfectly aligned with IPC applications, while keeping COM module migration simple. This allows applications such as ultrasound, endoscopy, and machine vision to expand peripherals freely, without concern about thermal performance limitations. The Intel's new Core Ultra Series 3 processors platform brings a major leap forward in performance and AI readiness for next-generation edge computing system solution. The ARC2252 Slim-type embedded system delivers stronger CPU throughput, enhanced graphics, and integrated AI acceleration, with flexible IDOR, GMSL, or PoE module options. It is well fit to power real-time analytics and intelligent automation applications.
We're super excited about the partnership with Advantech in taking edge AI to the market. We're working with Advantech on a unique product line that's based on our Core Ultra processors that bring powerful integrated AI acceleration to a number of use cases across the edge.